And welcome. Welcome to this session. Begin by sitting or lying down. Let the body get completely comfortable. Let the breath do what it wants. Your eyes can be gently closed. And today we're going to visit 3 rooms: body, mind, and awareness. Nothing to fix. Just visit and see. Notice your contact points on what you're sitting on. Your seat, your feet, and even your back. Let the shoulders drop 1 notch. Let the jaw unhook. Let your tongue rest easy. And breathe softly. And now, bring your attention to your feet. Warmth, tingles, or even pressure. So label silently: sensation, nothing more. And now move to your calves and your knees. And silently say sensation. And now for your hips and seat. Weight, vibration, subtle pulsing. And silently say sensation. And now for your belly and chest. Movement of breath. And quietly say sensation. And now for your hands. Any buzz, temperature, or even texture. And silently say in your mind, sensation. Your whole body, it's one field, not a map of parts, just one field of sensation. And now for room 2, the mind. We won't stop thinking. We'll watch thinking. So imagine thoughts as text bubbles drifting by. And when one appears, label it thought. Now don't open it. Don't argue with it. Just thought, and then let it pass. And if a memory comes, memory, and then let it go. And if an image comes, silently say image in your mind, and then let it go. And if planning arrives, plan, and then let it go. If a feeling piggybacks on a thought, say feeling silently in your mind, and then let it rest. Keep the labels light, like tapping a soap bubble. Just label, and then release. And now for room 3, awareness. Now turn around gently. What knows sensation? And what knows thought? Now you don't have to see it. You can't hold it. It's the quiet knowing of everything arising. So rest as that. Let sensations come and go in the body, and let thoughts glow and fade in the mind. And notice the knower doesn't move at all. And if you find yourself chasing content, just smile and say silently, content. And then return to the simple fact of knowing. Now, bring a breath deep into your belly. Feel the room around you and rub your fingertips gently. And when you're ready, open your eyes now and keep a little of room 3 with you. Namaste.